Yo, someone in the free Telegram group was asking me, how did I know if gold will buy for the signal that I sent in a VIP group this morning, right? And in this video, I want to explain to you guys how I was able to, how I know if gold will buy, right? So, and if you're not in a VIP group, this is the VIP group where I actually send every signal, every trade that I take, I send in this VIP group. And this is the actual trade that we took. As you can see this morning, it was a buy, right? And I actually send it right on time, and that's what I always do. And then the market went all the way up, and we smashed TP with 133 pips, right? And we are doing this every day. As you can see, we are smashing TPs after TPs after TPs, and every signal that I'm actually, every trade I'm taking, I'm sending in this group. So if you're not in this group, guys, you are actually missing out a lot. You understand? So, and this is the actual trade. And now let's just talk about why did I buy, right? That's a good question right there. And as you can see, the market actually hit the TP and it went all the way up, right? So meaning there was a lot of opportunities this morning alone, guys. And as you know, I traded pre-London session, so this signal I sent it in a pre-London session, right? So yeah, and now I'm actually on a break. I'm gonna trade again during a New York session this morning, right? So now let's just break down the reason why I actually buy this gold, right? So this is the actual trade. Now let's just get back here for on our entry. The entry was actually here. This is our entry here. That's where we actually buy it. So let's just replace so that I can explain to you guys the reason why I actually buy this trade, right? I'm gonna explain to you right now. So here's how the market works. At that time, I was actually doing analysis, right? So as you can see, you can see we had a uptrend, right? A small uptrend, a minute uptrend. You understand? So if the market is going up, I actually like to pay attention to things like that, and then I'm actually gonna be waiting and see if I can actually get any confirmation for me to buy, to get in the market. And instantly the market start consolidating by forming this little triangle pattern right here. So soon as the market start creating a triangle pattern, in my mind I was like, yo, this is gonna be a good opportunity for me to buy, right? So what I did was I actually draw my lines as always. I draw my line just to make everything clear here. Let me just draw this little line so that you can see. So as soon as I draw this line, I was like, when the market to break up, and that's when I'm actually gonna buy, right? And then when the market to break up, right, and then I'm gonna wait for a retest, and then I'm gonna buy for it, and then my take profit is gonna be 1:3, right? And as always, my risk to reward ratio, it's a 1:3 always, guys. Now let's just see what the market did here. The market went all the way up and a break there, and as you can see, there was a little retest here, right? As you can see, there was a little retest, and that's the moment where I was like, yo bro, let's buy. And that's when we bought this trade right here, you understand? And then but now the most important part of this trade was the patience. Patience played a huge role while we take this trade, and that's exactly one thing that you guys you need to understand. In a market, you need to have patience. The level of patience need to be bigger than the level of everything, guys, because now listen, we actually open a trade here. Now let's just replay and see what happened, guys. It's crazy, it's insane. Here's let's just replay. Here you go. You can see the market went up plus 50 pips, right? We was up 50 pips, right? And then guess what happened? Guess what happened? Boom. Yo, we are up 50 pips, and the market came all the way down again on our break even on there on the entry point, guys. So if you were someone else, you was gonna be panicking and be like, oh my god, my money is going back, I'm going to hit stop loss again, but when it come to me, when I'm in. It's either I hit TP or I hit stop loss, because that's what I like. Because, guys, I'd rather hit stop loss, right, while following my plan, rather than just closing in the middle of a trade than letting the market go up to hit my TP. It just make me feel bad, guys. So hitting TP, following my plan, it's a good thing. Now watch what's gonna happen. The market went down and it played around. It started like consolidating, but guess what? My stop loss was at the very safe place, safe place, And I'm actually gonna make another video, or I'm actually gonna send these things in a VIP group to explain to you where to put your stop loss, where it's not gonna be easy to be touched. That's the mindset. That's the knowledge right there. That's the knowledge. And now let's see what's gonna happen. As you can see, the market went up again. It was just actually playing around, consolidating and doing all that stuff. Y'all can see that. Damn, bro, that was crazy. And then boom, boom. See, the market hit TP. You know what I mean? And guess how much was TP? How much was the pips? Was 100. Let me just show you. It was 130 pips. 133 pips. That's how much. That's a 1,300 points on gold, right? So, but that's pips anyway. 130 pips. And yeah, as you can see in the VIP group, yeah, and then I managed to make 1,333. 1,300 33. I don't know how y'all say that, but 1,033. Now you can see, guys. Do the mathematics right there. Now let's go back here on our trading view and see. So as you can see, the market actually played nice, and it's just been playing nice, guys. This is what we do on a daily basis, guys. This is what we do. And after that, the market went all the way up. I'm telling you, guys. Wait, you guys are gonna see here. Look. Just look closely. Look. The markets went insane, bro. After that, and I'm gonna tell you something right now, guys. I'm gonna tell you something. You see, by the time the market went up, right, I actually respected my rules, and that's one thing everybody has to do. I actually saw other opportunities while I was actually checking the market going insane, going up again, but I didn't take any trade again because I respect my rule, right? I traded two sessions, pre-London and a New York session. So during a pre-London session, I take one trade. If I take one and I win, I'm done for the session. You understand? And if I take another one in a New York session, if I win, I done for the session. So no greedy whatsoever. It played out like this today. You never know what's gonna happen tomorrow. And everything that you do, you feel like it's just a normal, but that's how you create a habit. That's how you create a habit of cheating on your plan, and you're gonna cheat on a day that the market won't play nice, and you're gonna start blaming your plan. So learn to respect your plan, guys. It's a very, very, very important. Yeah, I'm just telling y'all. So as you can see, the market went crazy, crazy. They must be crazy. Yeah, it went crazy, guys, and that's what happened. So yep. So, and the link to join the free Telegram group, it will be down below in the description. And we have a VIP. If you want to join our VIP group, join the free Telegram group, and then you're gonna see how to join the VIP group. It's actually pinned. You're gonna see something like join VIP on top of the group, right? Yeah, follow the process and join the VIP group, guys. It's 2026. Why are you not in the VIP group? Huh? Explain me. Tell me why you're not in a VIP group. And also, the best broker, guys. Make sure you trade with the best broker. If you are trading with any broker, this 2026, man, you're gonna lose a lot. I will leave the link down below of the broker that I use. Zero what do you call it? Spread. close to zero. You know, it's actually zero spread, guys. Execution is very fast, no lagging. You know, it's actually very smooth to trade with, guys. So make sure that you go and trade with them. You know, just go and trade with them and thank me later. The link will be down below in the description of the broker that I use, and the settings, right? I actually recommend MT5, you know, because I use MT5 most of the time. MT5 leverage 1:500, and account type raw ECN, right? Raw ECN or standard or anything that you're gonna choose there. Raw standard or standard or raw ECN. Click the link down below of the broker that I use, and let's get it. Let's get to the bag. Let's make money.